When are you going to do another viewer's comments? It's my birthday today. I was hoping you'd have one out again today like last year, remember? All the best for 2022, Mitzi from South Africa.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mitzi! Viewers' comments begins right now.
Nice touch having your little helper do some steps.
Actually, my little helpers do all the work behind the scenes. I'm just the pretty face.
Yeah, but can it make tacos?
Tacos.
I do love all these videos, but for those of us in the old country across the pond, would you consider metric as well, please?
Metric system?
Who keeps the metric system down? We do.
Why can't I download the free plans for this gig?
You're having trouble because it's a bowl-making jig, not a gig? Good luck on tour.
You just earned my subscription.
Sweet!
Why not just use a heat gun to get the hot glue loose?
Probably because I didn't think of that, Captain Hindsight.
Dear sir, I wonder how you calculated the power of the cylinder to crash the can. Best regards.
So when sizing the cylinder for the can crusher, I basically looked at the size of a can, looked at the size of the cylinders, and went, that one will be good.
How can I get this pattern, sire?
Well, since you've asked, sire, I will tell you. Go to my website and download it for free.
Love the Arnold imitation.
Yeah, if you like my Arnold impression, I bet you'll like my Joe Pesci.
Yugoslavia!
Dude, you killed it.
You can't prove nothing.
Wow, the machine is very beautiful. How much is the price of the machine? Can it be found in Bangladesh?
The price of my homemade CNC is $8 million, and if you actually pay me that, it can be found anywhere in the world.
Plans are not in the website at all.
Yep. All the plans are there, except for the projects where I didn't make plans. That one has plans. It's definitely there. You might just be stupid.
With today's plywood prices, it is no longer possible to build this for $900.
Yes, I agree. Wood is expensive. So is everything.
Should have sanded the inside before removing the glued-on backing. Great bull.
Yep, you and about 4 million other people have pointed that out to me. I agree, I should have done that, but when you're making videos, you don't really think so good.
From Canada, and they think I'm slow, eh?
Love the quirks and features, but a little disappointed you didn't mention fuel economy.
See, I didn't mention fuel economy on the CNC as it's a plug-in hybrid.
The Doug DeMuro spoof at the beginning was gold.
This?
How did you determine the minimum clearance for the bottom of the gantry to the table?
So much like everything I do, I just guessed.
Has anybody hit you back saying they've built this and been successful?
Yeah, tons of people have built my homemade CNC, and I love seeing the feedback. People have emailed me the pictures, and I posted them on my website under the Viewer Submissions tab. Go check out all those throughout the years. They're really good.
Will this cut paper?
Yes.
Many of the best projects require a buddy and beer.
That's the gold standard. You ever try to get a piano moved without beer? Won't happen.
I know nothing about CNC routers, but want to learn how to operate and design. Where's the best info on how to learn all of it?
I found the best way to learn stuff is using the internet, YouTube, Pornhub.
What is the creaking noise when you close the top?
The creaking noise when you close the table is actually those 3 slow close things. For some reason, they rub really slowly and make that god-awful noise. I don't know.
I replaced the impeller, and now the motor won't turn the impeller. Do you have any suggestions?
I suggest you quit while you're ahead.
You should use some of the sponsored YouTube money to buy an off-the-shelf Oneida Cyclone and do a comparison on performance.
Yeah, once again, you guys severely overestimate the amount of money I make off doing this. Again, I offer free plans, so no money coming in there.
My brain hurts now.
Could have had a V8.
Lim Fao, my wife and I's desk. Grammar dude, learn it.
Well, Lim Fao, I hope you and your wife enjoy the desk as well.
You seem like a man I could be a best friend with.
I am currently accepting applications for best friends. The application fee includes a case of Sleeman Clear.
100% amazing, but I think you should add some sort of spring mech to push the router back maybe.
So I know what you mean. All the commercial ones have a spring return. However, that would have made this significantly more complicated, and I didn't feel like doing it.
Any chance of providing that CAD file?
Absolutely. In case you guys didn't know, all of my plans, I also, right below it, have the CAD file I used to make the plans. That's all there free. If you want it, go get it.
Way too easy. We need something more complicated and cool looking.
More complicated and cool looking. 1 second. Finkel's lava dredger.
I'm watching you.
That's disturbing, Eric.
6 hours? You got some print tuning to do. That's way too long, lol.
Yeah, as it turns out, I actually had my tip set to 0.1 millimeters instead of the 0.4 that it actually has. So I adjusted that and the print time went down to just 1.5 hours instead of 6.
Whoa, you just saved me $1,000.
Glad I could save you some money. Now, send me half of that as a finder's fee.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that on your feet? Where in God's green earth are your safety sandals?
They're on my feet.
Instead of using construction adhesive to glue the sandpaper in place, I suggest using hot glue. When the sandpaper wears out, it can be easily replaced with the use of a heat gun to soften the glue.
Yeah, you know what? In hindsight, and what I know about hot glue now being insanely strong when it comes to wood connections, I definitely could have gone ahead and used the hot glue on this. So yeah, that's a good option.
So are the scissors duller or sharper after cutting a bunch of sandpaper?
Those scissors are pretty dull to begin with, so I'm gonna go with sharper?
Since there's no video update about whether it works or not, I assumed that it did not work.
Yeah, that little strip I put on the outside of the garage didn't really appear to do anything. I think it did actually make the outside look a lot better, but Yeah, I don't think it really did much.
Should have made it out of cast iron and steel.
Yes, I agree, I should have done that. But I didn't.
Did you just put your plane on the table blade down?
Yes, I did. And I'd do it again, damn it.
Those tiny helpers, where do I acquire one? See them everywhere, but no idea where they come from.
So you can commonly find little helpers around daycares and schools, but I wouldn't recommend grabbing one as you'll get in heaps of trouble.
Dope.
The hell did you just call me?
Amazing project. Just a question. Will this hold V-shaped guitars?
No, it won't. And shame on you for owning a flying V. What are you, 12?
Nice build, but why torture everyone with the music?
Because I am in control, bitch.
Also, don't wear sunglasses every waking moment of your life. Sheesh.
Not all the time. Sometimes I wear green sunglasses to protect me from
A laser.
Okay, but how much did it hurt?
The thing that hurt the most out of the kickback was definitely my ego.
This dude almost died to make this video.
That's right, and I'd do it again.
This is so stupid.
It's not stupid, you're stupid.
How much did this cost, or how much wood will I need?
At the time it cost $300. Nowadays it's probably like, how much is your mortgage? Yeah, that much.
Nice and simple, buddy.
I'm not your buddy, friend.
Hello, my friends.
I'm not your friend, buddy.
He's not your buddy, friend.
What, we don't get to see you modeling your scrunchies? I'm so disappointed.
Unfortunately, that company Keeps that, regrows people's hair or whatever, all the YouTubers have that. They haven't reached out to me yet, so no scrunchies will be displayed here.
Nice rack.
Don't look at my rack.
Nice. Wish I could have seen a new saw up here. SawStop needs to send one.
I agree. SawStop needs to send me one pronto. I bought this one.
Duke Nukem.
Hail to the king, baby.
Now, when will you start building mine? LOL, I need this.
I'll start building it as soon as you give me a check for 10 grand.
Call Mike.
Who the hell is Mike and what's his number?
The world is sorely lacking sufficient Homestar references. You impress at every turn.
I think about Homestar Runner every day because I made this Trogdor mug.
Burninating the peasants. Coming from a country with no ice and snow, how do you make a backyard hockey rink?
Okay, so first you fill an area with water and then you wait for winter.
You're going to learn the hard way to wear proper feet protection. Sandals to white socks, huge step down. But hey, go, go, go bots. Transformers, go bots, roll out.
You know what, you think by now like one of those like fancy shoe companies that sponsor everybody would have reached out to me and been like, hey, stop wearing sandals in the shop. Have some free stuff. But no, everyone wants me to suffer.
So I totally get the socks and sandals being purposely worn to drive the comments, which help the videos. With that said, after being a subscriber for a few years now, it's time for me to bail. All I do is watch the video saying, what an idiot, LOL, peace out.
Yes, I wear the socks and sandals for analytic purposes. It helps the channel.
I hope you're paying that little guy union wages.
Hell no, I don't pay my slaves. I mean children. I mean union workers. I mean slaves.
Fantastic build. That room turned out great. Tacos, taco, taco cat. I want to be a flying saucer dish. If coconuts got milk, how come they don't got nipples, huh? Checkmate, atheist.
Yeah, still no one's answered that question. Checkmate, atheist.
Hi, hungry. I'm Dad.
Hey, Dad, I'm hungry. Gonna go find some food.
Come to Australia.
Hey, honey, he says I should go to Australia. What do you think?
No.
Yeah, you.
Angel was better than Buffy. There, I said it.
Do you think Angel was better than Buffy? Yeah, laughable.
Great work. The only thing that in my opinion is missing here is side lighting, without which the drawing on the sand is hard to see. You can try hiding the addressable LED strip around the perimeter under the glass to illuminate the sand texture from different angles.
LED strip lights? This isn't a Dodge Neon, man.
Why do you talk so much in the video? Great build. How about adding an old sander as a clear function?
No, let me show you the actual way to do a clear function.
The word anyway is an adverb. Grammatical rules dictate that adverbs cannot be made plural. Therefore, anyways is incorrect. It's just anyway without an S on the end.
Anyways.
Milwaukee makes a cordless palm nailer in their M12 line that would be a little less suicidally dangerous.
Yeah, but if it's not dangerous, it's not fun, right?
Maybe you should have created a cage around the piping so the sound detoning can contain the noise within and the vibrant with the piping.
Well, maybe I did do that, and maybe it didn't do anything.
When I saw you wrapping the cyclone with tinfoil, I knew there was going to be a conspiracy.
I know what you mean, man. The government's out to read my mind. They want to read my mind in particular because I'm the only person that can believe it's not butter. Shit.
Send DIY builds your deck pics. Wait, no.
Send me all the deck pics.
When moving heavy things over solid flooring, put a towel under what you are moving and just pull the towel. Grab one out of the laundry bin while your wife's not looking.
Yes, that's a good tip. I don't know if you caught it in the video. I was actually using hockey socks underneath the hot water tank to pull it around. Because, Canada, that's why.
Great build. Must be heavy as all hell.
Now, if you're talking about Hell, Michigan, I would say it's less heavy, but if you're talking about the fictional made-up fairy tale place, yeah, it's heavier than that.
Those whole saw kits.
Yeah, these whole saw kits.
Some 3D printed pads from TPU would be great addition to the number 2 clamps.
I agree that is an option, but for these clamps, what I did was I just took some CA glue and glued on a little bit of that rubber pad, which I used for my vice jaws, and this seems to be working pretty well.
The number 9 corner holders are not clamps. They are corner holding alignment clamps. If used properly, they work great and are not for clamping the joint tight. They are for holding the corner of the joint while you press and nail with nail gun. Try it out.
These are corner clamps. I don't care how you use them. On the website, it literally says corner clamp. Look.
Poor grandma. Now she sits on a plastic crate.
No. She's in the ground. Damn COVID.
That's pretty badass. Star.
Thank you. I am very badass.
No way, dude.
Yeah way, dude.
That intro was fire.
I agree. That intro was fire. Well, guys, that does it for this one. Thanks for commenting stupid, silly crap and enjoying me on this journey. And we'll see you on the next one. Ta-da!